Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shazmin binti Izman and my metric number is 0252113105. Today I'm presenting about our project titled the Student Management Information System, also known as QAMS, QR Attendance Management System, which is developed based on the concept of Management Information System. For an introduction, student attendance is an important element in university academic management because it reflects students' discipline and also their commitment in each of their course. However, most universities now are still using the manual methods such as paper-based signature or the blank paper where student needs to write their name, their metric number and also their signature manually, and it's inefficient and also take times. So, because of this manual methods, we face several problems such as being time-consuming or easy to errors, such as the risk of losing the attendance sheets or the unclear handwriting of the student itself. It is possibility risk to fake the attendance also, where the friend of their friend help their friends to sign behalf of them, behalf of their friends, even though their friend not come to the class. So it is fake attendance, right? So it is also difficult for lecturer to monitor students attendance percentage. So this is the several problem. So a faster, more accurate and also transparent attendance system is needed. A management information system or MIS helps manage data systematically, reduce human error and also helps improve lecturers' work efficiency. So, as a solution, we propose the development of a QR-based attendance management system, also known as QAMS. So, through this system, student attendance is recorded digitally and using the QR codes, where students just need to take out their mobile phone and just scan the QR code given at the system. So the student information and the attendance time are captured systematically and securely. So what is the objective of the system is made? Okay, the objective is to improve the accuracy of student attendance and also to make it easier for lecturers to manage and download the attendance records without the manual system. Okay, because if we use the QR code system, it's already have the records in that system digitally. Okay, so the lecturer no need to look back at the attendance sheets or so on. Okay, and then it is save time during attendance taking in class. So the student no need to pass up the attendance sheets to their friends around the class because it is disrupting during the class session. And also it is to prevent fake attendance and ensure honest records. So this is the several objective why the system is made. So the scope of this project is only focused for attendance management in the lecture halls or in the classroom, where the students and the lecturer is the main user of this system, of this overall system. So the implementation of the QAMS system can improve efficiency, transparency and the overall quality of academic management. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Aminah binti Sabri. My number metric is 0252113030. And I will present about methodology and evaluation result and also lesson learned. So methodology first is about implementation process. This section explains the step-by-step process involved in implementing the proposed QR-based attendance management system, that is QAMS. The implementation begins with the planning phase, where user requirements are identified by considering the needs of both lecturers and students. Key system requirements include user authentication, role-based access, QR code generation, QR scanning for attendance recording, and secure data storage. Next, the system design phase focuses on developing the overall system architecture and process flow. Flowcharts and system diagrams are created to illustrate how users interact with the system, starting from login, QR code generation by lecturers, QR scanning by students, attendance validation, and the and data storage in their database. This ensures that the system workflow is logical and easy to understand. During the development phase, the QAMS is built according to the approved design. Core modules such as login authentication, QR code attendance. During the development phase, the QAMS is built according to the approved design. Core modules such as login authentication, QR code attendance, and attendance reporting are developed and tested individually. This modular approach helps reduce system errors and improve overall reliability. Finally, the implementation and maintenance phase involve deploying the system in a real academic environment. System testing is conducted to evaluate performance, usability, and accuracy. Any technical issues identified are addressed through system improvements to ensure stable and efficient operation. That's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila binti Abdullah. My metric number 0252113013. Today I want to talk about purpose system and system workout of QAMS, QR Attendance Management System. Okay, for our purpose system, we suggest QR Attendance Management System, QMS, which is a web-based management information system designed to simplify attendance management in educational institutions. The system uses QR code technology to allow students to record their attendance quickly and accuracy by scanning a QR code displayed by the lecturer during class. The QR code is only active for a limited time to prevent misses, ensuring that attendance records are honest and reliable. Once scanned, the attendance data is automatically stored in centralized database, making it easier for lecturers to manage, monitor, and download attendance records. The system also supports features such as course management, announcement, and attendance reporting. Overall, the purpose system provides an efficient and systematic solution that improves accuracy, saves times, and support better academic management and decision making. Okay, move to system workup. This section shows the system workup of the purpose QR attendance management system. The mockup illustrates the main user interface of the system, including the login page, lecturer dashboard, and student dashboard. The login interface allows users to access the system securely using role-based authentication. The lecturer dashboard enables lecturers to generate QR code, record attendance, and view attendance summarized for each class season. Meanwhile, the student interface allows students to scan the QR and monitor their attendance status in real time. Overall, the mockup demonstrates how the system functions in a simple, user-friendly, and efficient manner.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kamali Sakina binti Ibrahim. My number matric 0252113008. Today I'll be presenting a need assessment under the topic Student Attendance Management System. Okay, first of all, student attendance is very important because it shows student discipline and commitment to their study. When students attend class consistent, they are more engaged and usually perform better academic. Attendance data also help the university to evaluate teaching effectiveness and plan suitable academic support or intervention. However, the current attendance management process has several challenges. In many cases, attendance recording by manual, which can be slow and inefficient. This makes it difficult to update record on time, monitor attendance percentage equally, and prepare academic report efficiently. And the third is a need for an efficient system. Because of the challenge, there are strong need for more efficient attendance management system. An automatic system can help improve accuracy, save lecture time, and allow better monitoring of student attendance. This will also support early intervention for students who are at risk. Okay, for three main point of study, the first main point is attendance recording method. Okay, this focus how lecturer record student attendance, whether manual or using existing system. Manual recording often cause problems such as delay update and incorrect data. for an effective recording method is important because it ensures attendance data is collected equally and can be used to identify students who frequently miss the class. Okay, the second point is attendance monitoring. This refers to how attendance is tracked over time. Regular monitoring helps lecturer and admin to observe attendance pattern and identify students who may be at a risk early. With a proper monitoring, early action can be taken to support students before their attendance becomes a serious issue. And the third point is academic report preparation. Attendance data needs to be compiled into report for lecturer and administrator. This report help monitor trends, identify at-risk students, and support discussion making. Without an efficient system, preparing this report can be time-consuming and less accurate. Okay, for key finding, the first is manual system is slow and inefficient. Based on the finding, the manual attendance system is very slow and inefficient. Lecturer need to mark attendance one by one, which take a lot of time and especially for large class. This reduce the time available for teaching and the other academic tasks. The second is attendance data may be incorrect. Another finding is the about attendance data may not be fully accurate. Manual recording can lead to mistake, such as making the wrong student or missing attendance record. This error can affect discussion making and student evaluation. Okay, the third is hard to track at-risk students. It is also difficult to track students who are at risk of not meeting the minimum attendance requirement. Without an automated system, lecturer may not realize the problem early and student may miss the opportunity to receive timely support. And number 4 is no early notification for student or lecturer. Lastly, there is no early notification system for student or lecturer. Students are not informed when their attendance is close to the minimum requirement, and lecturers are not alert about at-risk students. This makes it harder to take early action and may affect student academic performance. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to me again. I will present about evaluation result. Based on the assessment conducted through the findings of the survey and system analysis, the proposed system, namely the QR-based attendance management system, is expected to improve the efficiency, transparency, and accuracy of student attendance management. Compared to the manual system, the proposed digital system can reduce the time taken to fill attendance, minimize mistakes or errors, and also increase transparency. This is because students can check and monitor the attendance percentage in real time. Meanwhile, lecturers can track students' attendance records and identify students who do not meet the minimum attendance requirements. Overall, this assessment shows that the proposed system is effective because it can address the weaknesses of the existing manual attendance system. Therefore, it is important to improve the method of student attendance management at Unisiraj with the use of management information system. Furthermore, through the survey, most of the students suggested doing QR code as a method to record attendance, so we decided to propose the MIS solution of Digital Student Attendance Management System. The technology is designed to provide real-time access to attendance information not only for students but for lecturers and administrators too. In addition, by defining functional requirements and non-functional requirements, the system can ensure more accurate data management and efficient attendance processes. Overall, the digital student attendance management system of the proposed MIS solution promotes efficiency in improving attendance management in the institution. Therefore, with the proper adaptation like biometric attendance, QR code and more advanced technology which is facial recognition, attendance can contribute in improving the quality of academic management and also student management. Next, we move to lesson learned. Through the completion of this project, there were important lessons learned. Among the main lessons learned was the importance of management information systems in improving efficiency, transparency, accuracy, and decision-making processes in academic management. This project also highlighted the challenges in processing manual data and the need for digital solutions in handling large amounts of data. In addition, this project also helped the team to better understand how to analyze the system, identify needs, and the importance of ensuring that the system design is in line with the needs of the users. These lessons and knowledge are very useful for future system development projects using real applications. That's all from our group. Thanks for listening.